Hey everyone, Jay the Builder here. This is a video of a Maytag dishwasher with an alarm. And if you look right under the countertop, it's blinking an error code. It's the E4 F8 error code. I've encountered this before, and it's a flood risk alarm per se. So there's actually a drip pan under the unit. If you take the front kick plate off at the bottom, right down there, there's actually a little flood pan with a sensor in it. And if water is sensed by the sensor, it throws this error code. So we're going to show you how to open up the kick plate and dry up that pan and see if we can get the code to clear. So you're going to want to go underneath your dishwasher. Right there, if I can get this right. And you got usually two screws, two nuts or something that are going to come off. So you're going to grab your screwdriver. In this case, I'm actually going to use the hex part of the screwdriver. Take it off. I'm unscrewing the screws. I get the front kick plate off. Two screws, set them to the side. Kick plate comes off. So there, that white part here is the drip tray, which is right in here. And right here is the flood sensor. It's there so the unit goes out of commission and won't allow the unit to work. So that way you don't get a flood in your house. So there's two clips, one here and one right here. And what you're going to do is push in on both of them and pull it out. I'm going to go ahead and open the machine so it stops trying to pump water out. So I'm going to push those two and see if I can slide this out. And I'm going to slide it out. So it'll only slide out so far because you got a wiring harness on this sensor here. So I'm going to give you a close-up. So this is the sensor wiring. And right in here, I'm going to put my finger, and sure enough, I have water. That's why the unit is giving the area code, or error code, not area code. Sorry about that. So I'll put it back here. So here's a couple clips on this sensor. Tabs, you push them in and lift, and then your drip tray comes out. And sure enough, water in the drip tray. There's the sensor, drip tray. So I am going to go ahead and dry that out with some paper towel. All right, so I've dumped the water out of the tray here. Here's the sensor. I'll move this out of the way. Here's the sensor right here. So the way it works, if that little tray fills up, this little plunger sensor raises and then actuates the error code and stops the unit from working. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together, and then we'll try clearing the code. It basically gets put together just the way it came out. Okay, so the sensor is back on. the tray. These two tabs, you just push them over the housings, and then you push the whole tray back in place so these little tabs actuate back into the legs there where they lock into place. So we'll go back up here, go to the panel board, silence the alarm by hitting the cancel button once, and then you hit it again, clears the code. We'll hit the start. Actually, it's on a dry cycle now, so we'll just cancel that and cancel it. Close it up. And no longer throwing the code. So I've had this happen before, and that's the steps you take to clear the code and correct the issue. Just keep an eye on your unit and go ahead and put the kick plate back on just the way it came off. Thanks for watching.